Eating jalapeños, I triple dare you. Do you know who I am, kid?
Yeah, bully the flow on him. Say Drake, I hear you like I'm young. You better not ever go to cell block 1.
Right, so we're going to go straight in with the seal break. Can we pop it first time? Of course we can. Quick swig of the juice. Right, so we've got to eat the whole jar. I don't know how I'm going to go. I do like jalapenos, but I've never eaten them by themselves. That's a lot.